Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into the world of fat transfer, an increasingly popular cosmetic procedure that helps people achieve a more youthful and natural look. Whether you're looking to enhance certain areas of your body or restore volume lost with age, fat transfer might be the perfect option for you. So let's break it down step by step. Fat transfer, also called fat grafting or lipofilling, involves transferring fat from one area of your body to another. The idea is simple. We remove unwanted fat from areas like the abdomen, thighs, or hips and use it to enhance or rejuvenate other areas such as the face, breasts, or buttocks. It's a natural way to sculpt your body and improve your contours. So why do people opt for fat transfer? Well, there are several benefits. First, since the material used is your own fat, the risk of allergic reactions or rejection is extremely low. Also, the results are long-lasting and in many cases permanent. It's a great alternative to synthetic fillers or implants for those looking for a natural enhancement. And let's not forget, you get the bonus of slimming down areas where you don't want the fat. Now let's talk about how the process works. It typically involves three main steps. First, liposuction. Fat is harvested from areas like the abdomen, flanks, or thighs using liposuction. The fat is removed through small incisions, and it's done in a way to minimize any damage to the fat cells. Second, purification. The fat is then purified. This step is crucial because it ensures that only the healthiest fat cells are used. The fat is processed to remove any impurities like blood, oil, or fluid. Finally, injection. The purified fat is carefully injected into the target area. The surgeon will meticulously sculpt the area to achieve natural-looking results. This can be done in the face for volume restoration, in the breasts for augmentation, or even in the buttocks for a fuller shape. Fat transfer can be used to enhance many areas. Some of the most popular treatments include face, for adding volume to cheeks, under-eye areas, and lips. Breasts, for natural breast augmentation or correcting asymmetry. Buttocks, in what's often called a Brazilian butt lift, fat is used to enhance the shape and size of the buttocks. Hands, to restore volume and reduce the appearance of aging hands. After the procedure, patients typically experience swelling and bruising in both the donor and treatment areas. Recovery times vary depending on the area treated and the amount of fat transferred. Most people can return to normal activities within a week or two, though strenuous activities should be avoided for a few weeks. Results are usually visible immediately, though some of the transferred fat may be reabsorbed by the body in the first few months. That's why a little overfilling might be done initially to account for this. The final results are typically seen within 3 to 6 months. Fat transfer is a great option for those who want natural enhancements without the use of implants or synthetic fillers. However, not everyone is a perfect candidate. It's important to have enough fat in donor areas, and the procedure is best for those who are generally healthy and have realistic expectations. Consulting with a board-certified plastic surgeon is the best way to determine if fat transfer is right for you. That's all for today's overview of fat transfer. It's an exciting, natural way to reshape and rejuvenate your body. If you're interested in learning more or scheduling a consultation, don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified professional in your area. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on cosmetic treatments. For educational purposes only. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for personalized advice.